Hello, this is Nevis. I'm going to show you the activity for week 3, which was to build a role play activity related to the course that I had created around writing emails. So I had to go to Character.ai, which you can see on the top left here, Character.ai, and create a character. So I created Kate Bradshaw. Now what I did do was I had to describe first what she would look like. I used a simple Word document where I wrote simply what she would look like. I wrote, Kate is a middle-aged woman, about 45, working as a private secretary to her superior, the marketing manager. She has light brown, straight, short hair styled in a French bob. She dresses elegantly in her job, wearing pants or skirts with shirt and jacket. So as you can see, the generated image came up with a few ideas, and I chose this one, gave her a name called Kate Bradshaw. So now I'm going to go and show you the chat that I created with Kate. It's a bit long, so I'll show it all to you, but I'm only going to play a bit of it. So hang on a minute while I change the page. So here we are, the character that I've created, and she's going to be communicating with me. So I'm just going to play the voice that I chose, and let's see what happens.
Good morning. I've reviewed today's schedule. Would you like a quick rundown before your first meeting?
And this is my answer. Yes, please. Let me know how busy I will be today. Thanks, Kate.
Certainly. Based on the schedule I've prepared, you have a meeting with the marketing team at 9 a.m. to discuss the latest ad campaign performance. Then at 11 a.m., there's a follow-up meeting with one of our key clients. During lunch hour, you have some much-needed downtime, but your afternoon is booked solid. You'll be meeting with our content team from 30 p.m. to 4 p.m., and there's a brainstorming session with the graphic design team starting at 5 p.m. I hope this helps.
I don't really know why. I did choose the voice, but it didn't come out that strange. So maybe this AI has created an overly active Kate Bradshaw. Now let's go down. This is what I respond to that. I say, well, it's only 8 a.m. So let's begin with a strong black coffee. Then I'll dictate 2 emails which need to be sent before 9 a.m. Is that okay, Kate? And then she'll answer. But I'm going to go down and show you when I actually ask her about, because I've given her 2 emails to write. Now, I wanted Kate to actually, in this instance, actually write it and read it out. So she's come back. So I said, looking at my watch, I say, hi, Kate, are those emails ready for me yet? And she rushes over flustered. So this you can tell that the AI is responding in the same fashion, showing me, for example, what she would be like. So I'm just going to play that quickly.
Kate rushes over, slightly flustered, holding the emails. Oh, I'm so sorry. I was just double checking the formatting. Here you are, the emails from Mr. Frank Smith, Connell Fabrics, and Sally Cornell sales team regarding the late delivery of woven homespun A546 and confirming Walton Store's production planning order. I've signed the emails in your name as requested.
I've asked her now, in order to be able to see if the AI could actually write the email in this character, I asked her to read aloud the first one to Mr. Frank Smith. So here it is here. I'll just get her to read it out.
Right away, Mrs. Knight. Clears throat slightly, speaks in a clear and professional tone. Dear Miss, this message finds you well. I'm writing to follow up on order number 8546 for woven homespun fabric, which was due for delivery yesterday. As we are now into production scheduling for the upcoming line, the delay is beginning to impact our timelines. Could you please provide an urgent update on the expected dispatch and delivery date? We value our partnership with Connell Fabrics and trust this is merely a small setback we can resolve quickly together. Kind regards, Mrs. Laura Knight, Marketing Director, Russell Fashion Design, Hoddle Street, Melbourne. That's the draft as prepared. Would you like any adjustments before sending?
So I just respond, excellent, Kate. Now read aloud the second email, and I'm not going to get her to read it out because it's going to be too long. But fairly quickly she does. So in this case, it's really good because if I'm practicing writing emails, I'm actually getting the AI secretary who I designed with a lot of about Kate details when I went and created the character. So this is all coming out from that, I hope. So then this is the end of it. I can continue this chat and go on, but I'm going to stop here because I think I've had enough fun with it today, and I'm going to move it in. So basically, let's go back to my main page. I did change my profile, so bear with me a moment. Given a strange name, and then I went ahead and changed it to Mrs. Nevis 118, and this is the character here. As you can see, and I've put a emoji in, and there's my name down here. Now, if I click on Kate Bradshaw, hopefully it'll show us the discussion we've had up until now. Yes, and here it is, and it shows me as gifted Way Marana from before, so it's not a big deal. I didn't realise that you could change the profile until the end. But anyway, it's been really good fun, and I think I've gone overboard a little bit, but I think that this could be really, really useful from school age students right up until adults practicing their admin, either conversations or writing, etc. I think it's a really good idea. This is the free version. So thank you for listening. This is Nina signing off till the next activity.